This week's feature product is an entire line of one of the most common construction components, nails. You might be surprised to learn that there are different nails for different jobs. So I'm going to hammer home the details. Check out the family of construction nails we carry from Duchenne. Duchenne has been a 100% Canadian company for nearly 100 years. Starting in 1927, the Quebec-based company manufactures their products right here in Canada, and their products have become one of the premier names in construction materials. Let's go over the 5 different nails that Duchenne has to offer. First up are the common nails, which, as the name implies, are your standard heavy-duty nail used in construction and carpentry, available in 2-inch to 4-inch lengths. Next is the box nail, which is perfect for use with thin pieces of wood as their thinner shanks are less likely to cause splitting. They come in 2-inch to 3.5-inch lengths and are generally used for light construction and installing trim. Following that, we have Ardox nails, which offer a spiral shank that provides enhanced holding power and strength, making them ideal for projects like framing. They are available in 2.5-inch to 4-inch sizes, with options for either an uncoated and polished bright finish or a hot galvanized finish, which are coated in zinc, making them stronger and rust resistant. Next up, we have some specialty products, starting with roofing nails. These provide a larger head and have much smaller shanks, coming at 1.25 and 1.5-inch lengths. These are used to secure house wrap, roof felt, and of course, shingles. They also have an electro-galvanized finish, making them rust and corrosion resistant. Lastly, there's concrete nails, which are heat treated to provide enhanced strength and feature grooves in the shaft to minimize movement once installed. Available in 2.5 or 3-inch lengths, they're perfect for securing things to concrete and brick. And that, my friends, is the wonderful world of nails from Duchenne. So get out of the big box hardware stores and come on down to Gregg's for some 100% Canadian service to pair with our 100% Canadian feature product, the construction nail lineup from Duchenne. What's the last project you needed nails for? Share it with us in the comments and don't forget to follow so you can stay up to date with all the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.